Students, this video is on how to represent mixed fractions on number line. Look at the example. Represent 2 and 2 by 3 on the number line. So, first we have to take a line segment OA. We have to take a line segment where OA equals to AB equals to BC equals to 1 unit. Okay. So, as we know that a mixed fraction contains a whole number part and a fractional part. So, up to 2 it is whole number. So, O to A 1 and A to B is 2. So, up to 2 is done. Now, what left is 2/5. So, 2/5 will fall between the point 2 and 3. So, BC that represents 1 unit from 2 to 3. Here we have to divide BC into 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, how we will place 2/5 here between B and C? So, it will be 1, 2. This point P will represent 2/5. So, this point in this whole line will represent 2 and 2 by 5 this fraction, this point P. Okay. So, this is how we can represent a mixed fraction in a whole number, in a number line. Now, suppose we are given another mixed fraction 9 and 3 by 4. So, we have to place this 9 and 3 by 4 in this mixed fraction in a number line. So, first I have drawn here a line segment. Suppose this is AB. Now, as we know that the whole number part is 9 and the fractional part is 3 by 4 of this mixed fraction. So, first we have to draw here a scale of 10. Okay. So, suppose this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So, up to 9 we got it. Okay. So, this point, suppose this is B, this is A. This A to B, this point B represents point 9. Now, from 9 to 10 we have to divide this area into 4 parts so that we can place 3/4 in this line segment. So, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4. So, I have divided from 9 to 10 into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, this point C will represent 3/4. So, now this point C in this line segment AD, I have renamed this line segment AD as I used point B here. So, this line segment in this line segment AD, this point C, this point C will represent the mixed fraction 9 and 3/4. Okay. So, this point is 9 and 3/4. This is how we can represent a mixed fraction on a number line.